There is one thing about SGRR University that changes everything about how you should think of it. And I'm not going to tell you until the end of this video. Hi everyone, I am Soumya and today I will be reviewing SGRR University Dehradun. If you are researching Dehradun universities right now, SGRR would have come to your recommendation due to one word, and that is legacy. It is not a brand new institution chasing trends, but it is built on decades of established trust. Older institutions tend to have more stable infrastructure and an established recruiter relationship and the faculty who have been there for long enough. That is the reputation. Now let's see if it actually holds in reality. SGRR runs programs spanning medical sciences, management, and allied health fields, which is fairly a unique combination compared to most of the universities in Dehradun, which are lean purely towards management or purely towards technical. If you are someone who is looking forward toward the healthcare adjacent careers along with the business ones, this cross-disciplinary setup can actually be beneficial. Classroom follow a structured curriculum with continuous internal assessments and not just one make or break final exam. That means your one bad day does not decide your entire semester. But here is the part that surprises most of the people when they visit in person. The medical and health sciences affiliations give SGRR the level of institutional infrastructure with equipped labs, clinical exposure, and equipment. That's not marketing, but it is what comes from being the part of a larger medical institution. The campus itself carries an established and settled field, not just a construction site that is still being built on, which is most common in most of the newer universities which are being built on year by year. Buildings are functional, labs are subject specific, and green space breaks up the academic block. Hostel facilities include standard safety measures like CCTV coverage, biometric entry system, and warden supervision on every floor. Wi-Fi extends across hostels and campus zones, which sounds basic until you are the one without it during the exam week. SGRR's placement cell benefits from its legacy network. That track record matters because established relationship tends to produce more consistent placement outcomes rather than new brand tie-ups. Healthcare aligned programs get an added advantage here. Clinical exposure and internship placements tied directly to the institution's medical affiliation. We are almost at that one thing I promised to tell you. But before that, let's talk about what daily life actually looks like here. Student culture here lean more towards structured and disciplined compared to newer university campus. Cultural fest, academic societies, and health-specific events run all through the year. Here's what I promised. One thing that actually matters about SGRR is in the fees, and it's not even the placement, but it is the legacy infrastructure. One thing that you are actually stepping into the system. Recruiter relationships and institutional processes that have already been tested and refined over the years. So that's the honest breakdown about SGRR University Dehradun. Book a free counseling call, link is in the description. And tell me in the comment, do you value legacy or newness in the colleges? I really want to know. Bye bye, see you in the next one.